This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Bethany White. Don't miss out on this beautifully updated ranch-style home in Park Manor. Natural lighting and the open floor plan makes this home feel spacious and airy. Enjoy hosting family and friends in your eat-in kitchen complete with island and breakfast bar. Conveniently located half a mile away from the Elizabeth River and City Park, you can have access to boating and fishing in minutes. For more information, review the details below.